Ehukai Pillboxes Trail. Short, steep, and shaded, it's got one of the best views on the North Shore. And today, I'm hiking with Hika. Let's check out the All Trails stats. A 2.1 mile moderate, heavily trafficked loop trail on the North Shore, and it's probably legal.
Probably.
This trail is located across the street from Ehukai Beach Park, close to Sunset Beach and Bonsai Pipeline. You can park at the Ehukai Beach Park or the Sunset Elementary School, where you can feed the chickens donuts.
You want some donuts? Just a little bit.
So, if you come on a weekend, you can usually park just a few feet from the trail.
I love that.
It starts with a short, flat section, followed by 30 minutes of uphill. This section can be challenging, especially if you stop for tequila en route, which I said we shouldn't do.
We shouldn't.
Tequila on my face.
When the trail flattens out, you'll find a beautiful section of evergreen trees. At the end, you'll reach the first pillbox. An old military bunker, you can go inside and check out the art while wondering what Ehukai means.
You're right, the more you know, the further you go.
I think it's my favorite hike, but you should make sure that you go to the second pillbox as well.
Great advice. Moving on to the second pillbox, stay left, walking with the ocean to your left, as there are a spider web of crisscrossing trails here. You'll eventually start to go downhill, and that's when you'll arrive at pillbox number 2.
We made it. Holy shit, we made it!
After snapping the perfect Facebook photo, and Instagram photo, and Diaper Mate's profile photo, you can hit the loop section of the trail, or head straight back to the parking lot. And that's it. Subscribe on here or Instagram to be notified of future videos, leave a comment and recommend a trail, or let me know if this was helpful. Be safe and enjoy.